greetings everyone. I'm standing here feeling lucky to be a part of a student's life. A little learner today is a world changer tomorrow. Yes, my little Rajas and Ranis surely will make a sustainable positive difference on a global scale. Now I call upon Admirable Rani Ankita T. She is a lovable child. She makes friends easily. She possesses interpersonal. She got first prize in threading beads, second prize in coloring, third prize in reading and picking up beanbag. Now I call upon handsome Rani Anilastri. She has a great potential and loved by her classmates. She is appreciated for her bodily kinesthetic and interpersonal intelligence. She got second prize in shot put and picking up the beanbag. Here comes meticulous Rani Mirnalini. She is a cooperative and helpful child. She is a self-motivated, polite and well-mannered student. She got first prize in handwriting, frog race, second prize in water filling, third prize in recitation and Tirukural competition. I wish to call upon stimulating Rani Sashtika. She is a friendly child. She loves learning new things. She got first prize in coloring, second prize in reading and sack race, third prize in recitation. Next comes talented Rani Tejasti. She is a sweet and cooperative child. She works independently and stays focused on the task. She possesses logical, intrapersonal and musical intelligence. She got first prize in water filling, fancy dress, second prize in singing, third prize in handwriting. I am very happy to call thoughtful Rani Tarnika. She is a friendly child which makes her a favorite among her classmates. She finishes her tasks on time. She is appreciated for logical and intrapersonal intelligence. She got first prize in picking up beanbag and second prize in storytelling. I love to call upon valiant Rani Vinba. She is a friendly and respectful child. She performs well in all the activities done in class. She possesses linguistic, musical and intrapersonal intelligence. She got first prize in singing, recitation and second prize in frog race. I happily welcome victorious Rani Viba. She is a cute with an excellent leadership qualities. She listens well and shares ideas frequently. She exhibits linguistic and interpersonal intelligence. She got first prize in recitation, third prize in singing and sack race. It's time to welcome youthful Rani Yashwanta. She is a kind and friendly child. She enjoys listening to the stories and reciting rhymes. She possesses logical, spiritual and interpersonal intelligence. She got first prize in sack race, third prize in frog race. Here comes humble Raja Hanshit. He is a very happy and playful child. He understands concepts easily and stays focused on the task at hand. He possesses logical, kinesthetic, and interpersonal intelligence. He got second prize in storytelling, backwalk, and third prize in lemon with spoon. Now I call upon Honorable Raja Hartik Keshava. He is a diligent student with good grasping skills. He is an attentive listener and enjoys reciting rhymes. He possesses logical, kinesthetic, and interpersonal intelligence. He got first prize in running, backwalk, and third prize in hurdles. Here comes keen Raja Kritik. He is a happy and well-mannered child. He always works with determination and shows keen interest in academics. He possesses logical, spatial, and interpersonal intelligence. He got first prize in Tirukural, second prize in recitation, and third prize in fancy dress. I wish to call upon Nimble Raja Nudanaguga. He takes an active role and strives to reach his full potential. He gets involved in all the activities and cooperates consistently with the teacher. He exhibits linguistic, spatial, and interpersonal intelligence. He got first prize in storytelling, recitation, fancy dress, reading, and adults. Second prize in Tirukural and third prize in coloring. Next comes Pleasant Raja Parvesh. He is a cooperative and helpful child. He is well liked by his classmates. He possesses bodily kinesthetic, spatial, and interpersonal intelligence. He got third prize in storytelling, waterfalling, and backwalk. Next I call upon Raja Parvesh. He is a friendly and respectful child. He performs well in all the activities done in class. He possesses logical, spatial, naturalistic, and interpersonal intelligence. He got first prize in lemon with spoon, third prize in running and shot put. Next, I love to call upon Productive Raja Pranesh. He is an active listener and valued member of the class. He accomplishes his tasks without distraction. He possesses linguistic, logical, and interpersonal intelligence. He got first prize in shot put, second prize in handwriting, fancy dress, and third prize in storytelling. I happily welcome Sensible Raja Subikshan. He is a cute child with an excellent smile and is always cheerful. He enjoys doing all the activities in class. He is appreciated for his logical, spatial, kinesthetic, and interpersonal intelligence. He got second prize in threading beads and lemon with spoon. I wish to call upon Valuable Raja Vikram. He is a friendly child which makes him a favorite among his classmates. He is a curious student and exhibits confidence. He possesses logical, spatial, and interpersonal intelligence. He got second prize in running and hurdles.